The round function will remove a number of decimal places from a number. The round up and round down functions will do a similar thing, but either round your number up or round your number down respectively. You can use the round function to round a number to a particular number of decimal places. So if we had this 50.255, but we really just wanted to call that a 50, you can just use round, select this number, and then select the number of digits to round to. And if we want to round to the nearest whole number, we can just enter 0. And that will give us 50. Now, if you just wanted a number to look different and look rounded, you can just change the number formatting, and that will show it as a 50 when it's really stored as a 50.255. However, if you want the number to actually be 50 to then use in other equations, it can be useful to use this round function. There's two similar functions here. There's round up, which would have taken us to 51 if we entered round up to the nearest whole number. And that takes us to 51. And there's also round down, which will take us to the 50 again. So those can be useful as well. Now, an interesting thing happens when we use different options here for the num digits instead of 0. So here we've got an example of a kind of a range of options there. And we can take that original number, round, and we'll lock this one for the example. We're going to round this by 3 as our num digits option. And we're just going to do that for this range of digits with the Control D shortcut to fill down. When we round to 3 digits, we see that's 255. When we round to 2 digits, it's 50.26. When we round to 1 num digits, we've got 50.3. We've got the whole number here, as we previously had. And when you start getting to the negative numbers, it's going to round us to the nearest 10 and then to the nearest 100, which would go up. And if we do -3, it's going to take us to the nearest 1000th, which will go down to 0.